Hello, my name is Kacper, I am an engineer at MTS Technik, and in this video I will present to you our Coilover suspension kit designed for first and second generation Subaru BRZ, Toyota GR86, GT86 and scionfrs. This kit is available in two variants, streets and stands. They differ in spring stiffness. The kit consists of threaded shock absorbers finished in a gold zinc plating, all four featuring the hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoil, thanks to the use of a tiny clamping screw, significantly enhances the ease of height adjustment. The springs are manufactured by a German company eibach. These are ERS type springs with linear characteristic. Thanks to their internal diameter of 60 mm, they allow for easy replacement with springs of different stiffness. Our kit also includes black anodized aluminum spring caps for both rear and front axle, dedicated bump stops and dust covers, and helper springs that provide preload for all four main springs. It's also worth mentioning the option of ordering this kit with camber plates or to order camber plates separately. Our camber plates are made of black anodized aluminum and steel. They allow for smooth adjustment of camber angle and modification of caster angle, and they utilize a uniball bearing, ensuring rigidity and reliability. Besides the kit itself, you will also get an adjustment wrench, two MTS Technik stickers, and any necessary documentation, such as installation manual. Thanks for watching.